loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelique if you are new here, and today's video is going to be a little decor haul as well as decorating around the house. It is a lazy Saturday over here, so I figured why not make it a lazy Sunday video on my channel. So that is today's plan. My mom did just move here, so I ran some errands with her. I was supposed to be helping her find stuff, but anyway, so I found stuff and she brought me a box of stuff. So today's haul is going to be from Costco, TJ Maxx, and Ikea. So yeah, that is going to be today's video. But before we jump in, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button if you guys like home decor, Hawaii, fashion, and beauty. That is what I do over here. And also last week I launched my photo presets, which I'm very, very excited about. It's called the Blogger Essentials Pack. So if you are in need of some photo presets, go ahead and check that out. I will have it linked down below. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this video. Alright, let's go ahead and start from Costco. I am very, very excited about this purchase. I have been putting off getting like a nice knife set since we moved because it is a little bit pricier of an item and I didn't see a set that I like fell in love with. But my mom and I were in Costco and they had this beautiful knife set on sale. So instead of $200, it was $150 and I'm like, ooh, okay. So here is the knife set. As you can see, it is a wood block and I like that it is like a darker wood because that's kind of the wood that I have working in here. And then the knives have like white pearlized handles and I thought it was really, really pretty. And honestly, buying a knife set made me feel really, really adult. And I did my research. This seemed like a really, really great brand, and for the price, I was really, really happy. Honestly, I'm really excited and filming because I've waited a few days and I really just wanted to open up this knife set. So yeah, I got myself a knife set. Alright, the next thing I got from Costco are some towels. I got some towels right when we moved here and somehow I've lost some of the white ones. So I grabbed myself another white one. And then, now that the bathroom is pretty much done, I wanted to add some color with the towels. And Sawyer absolutely loves blue. And this is a pretty, like, almost light seafoam blue. It's not like baby blue. It's just really pretty blue. Anyways, these towels were on sale as well. So these were $5 a piece. And then this one was like $7. So if you're in need of towels for a very decent price, and they honestly feel awesome, head over to Costco. Never knew I'd find towels there, but very happy with them. Alright, that is everything from Costco. I mean, I got a ton of food there, but those were the home items from Costco. Honestly, the big one was the knife set. I am so excited about that. Alright, next is TJ Maxx. I'm so happy they have a TJ Maxx on the island. There's actually like 3 of them, so we just went to one. We'll probably go to all of them over like the next 2 weeks because my mom needs some home decor stuff, which I am not mad about a little TJ Maxx run. Anyways, from TJ Maxx, I got a stack of white washcloths for the bathroom. I have a basket in there, so I'm going to like roll them up and put them there for guests, as well as I just think it's good every once in a while to get a new set of washcloths because they always just start looking dingy. And this one was only $6 for a set of 6, which I thought was a good deal. They actually had all their fall stuff on clearance. So this candle was only $4 and it smells so good. Like, Sawyer doesn't love fall candles because it can smell like too strong, I guess. I don't know. I freaking love them. So I felt like this was a subtle fall smell. So I got this one for $4. And then I got a huge candle for the guest bedroom. And I just like that it was like in a black canister because everything in the bedroom is like black and white. So I got this one and it's called Tobacco Oud. Don't know what that really means, but it smells so good. And this one is a little pricier, but it is bigger. This one was $14, but still for candles, TJ Maxx is my go-to because they're so much cheaper. All right, next up, I got a refill of hand soap. Now, I just always go there and grab something like lavender or eucalyptus or lemon, something like that. I just get the biggest bottle I can find and then refill all of my bottles. So this one is a lavender vanilla, and it was only $7. It smells so good. We're good on hand soap for a minute. The last thing I got from TJ Maxx was a new mug set. Now, I'm kind of committing to the black and white in the kitchen because I just feel like it looks really clean and put together with like wood accents. So I replaced the set that I had before, and yeah, this is just black and white. It was $10 for 4 mugs, and I thought it looked really nice and clean. So that is what I got from TJ Maxx. So yeah, my mom put this box of stuff in her pod when she moved because like when I was home back in like, what was it, September? It's already September. Wow, time flies. I went to Ikea with her and I had her put a few things in her pod because we can't ship Ikea here, which is So frustrating. Anyways, I got some things there and it finally arrived, so we can decorate with it today. But I don't think this is the Ikea stuff. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. Look how pretty. Okay, so these are actually shells that I had from Cancun years and years ago. I actually picked them out of the ocean and I asked my mom to bring them so that way I can put them around the house because they're really pretty shells, and they're shells that I found when we were traveling. So the first thing I got from Ikea is a feather insert for a pillow. This is the Euro size, so this is what we have on the bed. So I had to grab another pillow cover as well as a insert. So if you need like good pillows for your couch or beds, like for your decor pillows, get your inserts there. They feel so nice, they last a long time, and they're very, very affordable. I have another pillow insert for a smaller size. And then I went ahead and grabbed 2 king down comforters. I got them in, this is the Hansbar, don't know how you pronounce it. So this is a down comforter, so that way I can put it in the duvets. I did get it in the cool because obviously it's hotter here, but I did want like a feather insert because I just feel like it seems more luxurious. So I got this for the 2 guest bedrooms in a size king. Yay! Oh my gosh! These are 2 huge items that are gonna make the rooms look so much better. So I don't know if you remember, but I had gotten the curtains in the master bedroom and I only grabbed 1 set because I thought we only had 1 set of windows in there. I was mistaken, we have 2, so my mom grabbed another set, so now I can finish the master bedroom. That's literally the last thing I have to do in there. And then, this is also one of the last things that I have to do in the guest bedroom. I really liked these because they were black and white striped, and everything in there is black and white, so I thought this is like the perfect curtain for the guest bedroom, so now I can finish the guest bedroom as well. Honestly, changing curtains are such a simple way to like revamp a room or to finish a room, so I'm so happy because it'll look so much more put together with the final curtains. Yes, okay. One last thing from Ikea is this little throw blanket. This is the Odd Run, and it is just a light beige throw blanket. I thought it'd be great on the patio or on a bed. It's just a throw blanket, really simple and really cute and just beige, so it matches the house. Yeah. Oh, this is not from Ikea, but I will show it to you because it's really embarrassing. This is my freshman cheer photos in case anybody wanted to see how exciting. Me in 2008. Boom. A little bit of a throwback. Mom, I don't know why this is in this box, but hey, there you are. Well, that was the haul portion of this video. That is all the new additions to the house this week. Let me know if you guys actually like the hauls. I freaking love hauls because I love seeing what people, end up getting or do around the house. But now I thought it'd be fun, since I just got all this stuff, if we actually just kind of put it together so you guys can see what it's like. So it's like a haul and decorate. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing I want to set up is this knife set. My dad is going to be so proud. I finally got a knife set. Yeah, here's the thing about Costco too. When you see something on sale, honestly grab it because it only lasts like a week. There was a knife set I saw, I don't know, right when we moved, and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna wait. And then they went off sale and I never saw them again. They were never at Costco again. So then I saw this one. I mean, honestly, I'm glad I waited because these are perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. But anyways, when you see it, you gotta get it. Oh, it looks so nice. Okay, so here is the wood block. Honestly, it's a little bit darker of wood than I probably would have picked, but still, I think the knives are pretty, and I'm kind of mixing a bunch of different woods, so let's see how it looks. And honestly, what I could do to like make this match even more is to get a few darker cheese boards, and then it doesn't matter, you know? Everything will match. Oh my gosh, guys, I have a knife set. Ah! May not seem exciting to anybody else, but to me, I feel like an adult. Okay, so I just placed it. What I ended up doing was putting it by the toaster oven, which you guys kind of saw me setting it up. And then I went ahead and moved the cheese boards to the opposite side for now. I have some other cheese boards coming, which are, I think, a little bit more this color, more of the like maple, like darker wood. So I might put it right there. I don't know. I'll probably play with the cheese boards a little bit more. But yeah, that's the knife set. Oh, and I also forgot, from TJ Maxx, I got a new fruit bowl. Has black piping and it's like a little bit lifted, so I thought that looked really nice and kind of tying in the black and white. So we are now in the guest bedroom. This is the candle. I think I'm gonna put it on the dresser. I also have some really cool like baskets coming, like for the dresser or like the nightstand. They're like little woven baskets. So I'm excited for those to arrive. Right now the setup in here is a little diffuser. We have the mirror, we have the little dream sign, we have a little plant with eucalyptus, and I was thinking this right here. Boom! Super cute. Candle placed. All right, now let's do the curtains. So I already hung up a new curtain rod back when we moved in. So I just have to hang these now, switch them out. Okay, so they're a little long, so I might just have to hem them a little bit. But yes, wow, looks so good. We're now in the master bedroom. I have my extra Euro pillowcase. I have my new Euro pillow. Sorry if you hear the water running. Sawyer's taking a shower. But last thing in here is the new blanket that I got, and it actually matches the decor in here really, really well. So what I think I might do is, oh, Hitch is gonna hate me. All right, Hitch, I have a new blanket for you. Look, look, here. Look at this one. I have this one. This one's gross. This one's gross. Now we are attempting to take down the old curtain rod because it is all rusty and put up a new one. But we found a problem. Sawyer's drill possibly can't get the screw out, so is that a weird angle? Yay, the curtains now match. All right, loves, well, that's the end of this video. I just wanted it to be a very, very simple video where I show you guys what I got and then kind of put it all together. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this haul and decorating video. I will link everything down below that I can find, so that way if you guys like it, you can find it. I also have linked my presets down there, so that way you guys can shop those as well. But that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.